How to play music on a Zoom application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can play music on Zoom and broadcast it to other participants as well. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your Zoom application and start a Zoom meeting. Once you have started a meeting, it will now connect you to the meet. Once that is done, you will have to now share your screen. In order to do so, once you get on the screen, slide towards the left from the bottom navigation and you will see a share icon. Tap on it, scroll down until you find screen and tap on it again. This way, it will ask you permission to start recording. Tap on start now. Once that is done, it will ask for permissions to display over other applications. Scroll down and search for Zoom and allow the application permission for the Zoom application. Once you have allowed, the screen sharing will start. After you will see these three options on the bottom left corner. Tap on the second option. This way you are sharing the device audio and your audio will be visible along with the music on the Zoom application. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.